In fact, I am happy to share with this August gathering that within a short span of 9 months, 4 pairs of Vande Bharat Express trains were introduced, connecting Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu states.
With respect to the safety and security of the passengers, South Central Railway gives highest priority. As part of safety initiatives, South Central Railway has deployed Kavach. This is the indigenously developed train collision advance system. This Kavach is almost deployed by 1,500 route kilometers in South Central Railway up to September 2023.